We sell a lot of vaporizers, specifically the InstantVap brand, and we also have some of the accessories that go with them. So I was going to show you what comes with the InstantVap and then also what these are and how they work. So this is the InstantVap, the original. This is kind of the big one. So there's also the compact version, and there's also the light version too. So when you get this, you get one of these little caps here, and you get the actual vaporizer. So this is what I want to show you on this unit. So the actual unit, you get the plunger, and then these accessories right here, it comes with one of these like pink ones, and this is like called like a cleaning cap. So the idea, like if you get these, is inside of this unit there's like a little stainless steel bowl, and that is what heats up. That's what the oxalic acid crystals kind of get dispensed down into, and it can get corroded after a while. And to clean it, you'd actually have to like take this whole thing apart, and there's a lot easier way to clean it, and it's with these little caps right here. So what you actually do is you fill these up halfway, preheat this little chamber, and you can see it goes right over there on the top. So what that does is it dumps the water down into that chamber, and then it comes out the spout right here, and it cleans it. So you just fill this up halfway with water. You can do this type of thing where you flip it over, stick it down there, flip the whole thing back over, and that's how you clean it. So that comes with it, so you can use that little accessory to clean it. But then there's this optional piece right here that looks a little strange. So this is insulation basically. So when you use these units, you're using a battery, and the more that heating element heats up, the quicker your battery gets used up. So if you want to make your battery last a little bit longer, you have to insulate it, and this is the best way. So this actually goes right on top of this over this neck, and what it is doing is it's keeping a lot of that heat from escaping. So heat escapes through the top. So by putting this little insulated cap over the top of it, you keep that heat in. So when you put it on, you leave it on, and it just pushes down over this neck all the way down, and you just leave it, push it down all the way, as tight as you can get it. And this is a way to insulate the very top of it and just trap a little bit more of that heat. It doesn't interfere with how you use it at all. You can still use the plunger. It just makes it a little bit more efficient. So if you have an InstantVap, any of these vaporizers, and you don't have maybe you don't have a lot of batteries and you want to make your batteries last a little bit longer, you can get this little device right here, this little accessory right here, and it just makes it last a little bit longer and gets more out of your batteries. So just wanted to show you that video. Hopefully that helps. And if you want to learn more about these, we have a really great blogs on our website and a really good product description as well. So hopefully that helped. Thanks. Bye.